Hello everyone. So what I'm going to be doing today is rearranging my makeup room. So this is what it looks like before. So over here I have my dresser. I have a full-length mirror. It had a frame, but when the cats were kittens they knocked it over and it broke. I got my couch, my coffee table. That trash can's on there because I've been throwing some stuff away. Got a shelf back there. There's my new full-length mirror from Justin. My vanity, my pets. I got my TV right here. Don't mind the sound. And then these shelves over here. I'm probably going to keep those shelves there because they do fit so perfectly. But anyway, this is what it looks like so far. I've got those antlers up there. Up there's a ceiling fan. But, so here's the before. And hopefully the after will look, I mean, this still looks good. But I'm just bored, you know, it's time to update it. So hopefully when all said and done, it'll look pretty good. I guess really quick too, while I have it here, I'll lift the tripod just so you guys can see this side. There's where the dresser is. This dresser and this bookshelf are not a matching set. Me and Justin thrifted them. I think I got that for 10, 15 bucks. And this one we got at Goodwill for $24.99 that we refurbished. So love those together. We're definitely going to keep those in here. I might take out that full-length mirror because it's too short. I'm 5'8". I love how wide it is. So that's the thing. That one's too short. This one's a little too thin. But whatever, we're gonna make it work. We're gonna figure it out. I just want to give this room some new life. So anyway, let me put this bad boy back. See if I can get it back where I liked it. But anyway, so hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Okay, so just wanted to touch base. See if I can you can kind of see where it's a bit crazy. It's a bit crazy right now. Peter's in the windowsill. He's too scared to jump off. The cats were in the windowsill, so I was like, "Oh, you want to join them?" But anyway, again, just wanted to touch base. It's going good. I'm getting through it fairly quickly, which is kind of annoying because I really like rearranging my furniture and stuff, and the newness of the room only lasts so long, so that's also kind of sad. But it's looking nice. I think the way I'm going to rearrange it now is going to work out really well, especially putting the couch back in front of the windows. Tennessee and Whiskey haven't got to enjoy the room with the couch there. I know it seems silly, but it's right in front of the windows and it's sunny and warm, and their cats, they only have this house, so might as well make it where it works best for them too. So we'll be able to like lay in the windowsill and lay on the couch. Whatever, I'm rambling. But yeah, I'm just gonna get back to it. Okay guys, here is the after. Oh man, what a day. You can see the sun's going down. It's about 5. So, I mean, it took a while, but I took my time. My tripod's still up and going because I've got more things to film, but anyway, I just took my time and wanted to do a good job. kind of what it looks like. This way a little bit. With just the cute little fairy lights.